and hello to all of you beautiful people. Ngekamoyo Phumzile akachili maphosa mkatsane. Fazabela mateno wangeni koma ngakavunulwa vunlisa mfazi umsuthu akanoli kuchili maphosa mkatsane. Golongwane. Chile yabasengo nomanziyani. Yay. Yay! If you're new here, get hello, and hello. And if you're returning, get no maini pasayami, no maini, njayami. Izolezi, you, my baby, are on the right channel. Whether you're old or new, remember to like, comment down below, make sure that you are subscribed, and don't forget to switch on the notification bell because, baby, I don't want you to miss out on anything that happens on this channel. And talk about this channel, we have one rule and one rule only, and that rule is that we do not. I repeat, we do not skip ads because, baby, we're just trying to make some money, honey, periodically, period. Talking about money, we have another button down below called the thanks button. You can use that button to donate from as little as whatever you have in your bank, just to say, bona, rao, bona, lena get a chumiki change. Wait, yay, chumiki change. Just because of your donation, and it's from as little as whatever you have all the way to 1 meter, any amount you can donate to the channel. Guys, make sure that your button is not black or red. Make sure that it's white and it says subscribed, not subscribe. Okay, you have to have that D at the end of the word. Then you must know that you are part of the community. You're not looking from the outskirts. You're not bondaba. You're actually part of the family. As you saw in the title, we're doing yet another PEP home haul, guys. Vlogtober was a little bit of a hey, but we're back now on our regular scheduling. And in today's video, as you guys know, well, actually, for those of you who are new, what usually happens is that we will be going into store to see what is new at PEP Home, but when we have a PR drop just like today, we are going to first unbox that and then we can quickly go to store. And today's PR drop is quite special because this is a brand that I've wanted to work with for quite some time, and it aligns perfectly with the same brand that we are shooting for today, which is PEP, because you can get the products from PEP. And we are doing Bramley today, guys. They sent me something cute. I've been wanting to work with Bramley, and finally got said yes, and more yeses. So they sent me a package as we are working towards Christmas. They were giving me some ideas on how I could gift my loved ones, and I was like, why not share with you guys, you know? So this is a package. Inside the package I got this unwrap the Christmas gifts with Bramley Christmas gifts. Beautiful paper. And then they show you the products that are inside, and then there's a little bit of a writing here about how excited they are, and they have also introduced the shea butter variant, which is 39.99 containing 100 milliliter tissue oil plus the body butter. Same with the Magnolia, same pricing, same products to expect in there. And then they tell you like how it works out and what are the ingredients and where it was approved, right? You can also get the Bramley products now from DECO. So if you don't have a PEP close to your house, which is very unlikely, you can quickly rush to a DECO and get the products. I'm not sure about the price points, but I'm pretty sure it's probably around the same price point. The first gift set that they sent me was the shea butter gift set, the most famous one that everyone loves. I know sometimes it's hard to get them. I also struggled a little bit, but they promised that they are now in store and you can find them anywhere. So this is the shea butter package that I got from them. This is the tissue oil and the body butter. Please do go on over to my Instagram to give some love to the videos that I made for them. I'll leave the link down below, and while you're there, you can also give them a follow and give me a follow as well. So this is the Magnolia tissue oil as well as the body butter as well. So these smell good. They smell really good. The body butter also smell like amazing, and I think they're great for those of you who are not into like perfumes and stuff, because some people struggle with sinuses. So these are really great. The butter went up. They're really great for people who don't like strong scents. It smells really good. You know, it's a subtle scent, not like the popular mainstream scents that we have at the moment. Let me just put these here. I'll pack them again. But it is quite a nice scent. I wouldn't mind my skin smelling like this. Oof, shea butter, shea butter, shea butter is shea buttering. Smells really good. So yeah, that was from the Bramley family. Absolutely thankful. Christmas has officially begun, and don't sleep on them. Go and gift your own and show some love, guys. It's been a long year, so why not end the year on a lovely note? Guys, let's quickly go to store, and I'll see you when you come back. But before you go, remember to follow me on Instagram. It's Phumzile_chili, Phumzile_chili on TikTok, Phumzile chili on Facebook, and then chili_Phumzile on Twitter. So please do the most. I will see you guys also on the other platform. But for now, quickly go to the store, and I will see you on the flip side. Shop with it. you guys. As you saw, it's always popping there by Prep Home. They're always plugging us really plugged because of Pep Home. So absolutely a great pleasure visiting any Pep Home, because I know that I'm gonna come out of there motivated about how I just want to work on my space. But just another plug, check out Shein, guys. Just go to Home and Living and tell them exactly what you're looking for, because they have such amazing items. But it's probably going to kill their customs, because you know, the heavier the items, the heavier the budget, you know. But check them out, they have some really nice affordable stuff. Soon I will do a haul once I purchase from them, but right now I want to do a haul with these things. This thing is broken. So I got this, does it fall under foliage? Yes, from Pep Home. So this is how the foliage looks. Let me just check if it's focusing. Yes, this is how the foliage looks. I like it. I love the subtleness of it, you know, the green and a little bit of the white. It obviously does look like a faux plant, because it is a faux plant, but it looks quite realish, you know. But even the faux-ness of it is not like, you know, it's bearable. So this was pricing at 26 rand 99. I don't know if it's focusing. Yes, it is. This was pricing at 26 rand 99. So I just got 2 bundles, and this one looks like it's going through a lot. So I folded them because I wanted to put them in this thing that I'm going to show you just now. So for both of these I paid 52 rand. 54. Hey, guys, but I paid some money. You know, I paid 50 something rand for both of them. So these are quite cool, you know. I could potentially get a little bit more, but I saw some really nice foliage as well. Foliage on Shein, so I can't wait to get some more foliage, different from this one, but absolutely stunning. I don't want to open it. I liked it when it's a little bit clustered as it is in one place. It's cute, you know. The point is not to make the vase full, just like have that little bit of a decorative item. And the deco that I got was this little decorative thing. I don't know what they call it. Is it a vase? Is it a planter? Is it a flower pot? I don't know, but they just call it deco. This is nice, guys. I love how it feels. It's got that matte finishing, and then it's got that like you know how sugar granules feel, like that rough finishing. Yes, that's the word. It's got a rough finishing. It's got a bit of detail on it. I don't know if you guys will be able to see it, this little black and white detail on it. It's very cute, guys. I love it so much. This I saw on Take a Lot for like 2 something or 300. I get it, it's resellers, but they don't have to sell our souls with it. But this is stunning. I also saw the round one, might get it. This is absolutely stunning, and this was retailing for 99 rand 99. This is stunning. I highly recommend it. Please get it. I'm just scared that it might get dirty and I don't know how to clean it, but otherwise, so far so good. I love it, and it's so great in terms of aesthetics for when I shoot content. Stunning. So you can push it in. Actually, it does go quite deep in. So this is how it looks. I love it. It's absolutely stunning. Highly recommended, guys. So for this whole piece, I paid about 160, 170, which I'm not complaining about. Love it a lot. Absolutely recommended, guys. We are wrapping it over here for today. Please don't fall. Thank you so much for tuning in. Remember to do the most, like the video because it helps it quite a lot. Comment down below because I love hearing from you guys. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure that you hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on anything that happens on the channel. Remember, do not skip ads because it helps the channel quite a lot. Don't forget to also follow me on social media, Phumzile_Chili on Instagram, Phumzile_Chili TikTok, Chili_Phumzile on Twitter, Phumzile Chili, or the dose of Phumzile Chili on Facebook. Thank you so much for tuning in, you guys. If you do go and buy your Bramley tissue oil, do mention a girl's name. If you follow them, please do mention a girl's name under the comment section, either on my post or on one of their posts, and I will appreciate it greatly. Thank you so much for tuning in. And as for me, like I said, Phumzile akachili maphosum gatsani fazawela batena wangini kama kakavunula vunlisa mfazi msutsumsutsa kanuli kwa chili maphosam gatsani bolongwa ne chila kabasengwa nomanziyane. Bye, you guys.